Hi everybody, welcome back. Here's how you can create this realistic water flow in Cinema 4D, a 3D modeling program, so that there are water droplets which are falling down from the source. So let's start creating one. So all we have to do now is to head over to simulate and then click on emitter, just like so. And then extend the size of the emitter. If we play it, it will look like this. So there will be particles emitted by this area, this emitter. And then go back to particle, and then let's say if we change the birth rate to 200, and then we change the speed to this, then if we play it, alright, it's going fast now. So let's add some, the 3D object that will act as the water droplet. So this is going to be the sphere. Hold the left click button on the cube icon, head over to sphere, make it smaller, just like so. Go back to emitter, and then, place the sphere as the child of emitter into the emitter, that's to say. And then go to emitter and then tick the box for show objects, just like so. We can make the sphere smaller, just like so. If we play it, fancy. Now there are plenty of spheres that will be converted into water droplets. So go back to emitter, and then let's say if we change the speed to this. Getting faster now. So to turn these spheres into water droplets, hold the left click button. If you see the subdivision surface icon, head over to Metaball. Metaball is used so that we can build some other shapes formed by 3D objects which are close to each other. And then from these spheres we're going to make this water-like kind of object. So drag the emitter into the metaball. Actually no, yeah, drag it, and then simply just decrease the hull value, and then decrease the subdivision viewport, just like so. The lesser the better. And then we're going to add some gravity as the force for the metaball. So click on the metaball and then head over to simulate forces, gravity, and then if we play it, ooh, fancy. It's fancy, isn't it? So water droplets are now falling down, and then we can just increase the renderer so that it doesn't take longer to render, something like that. Then we can just decrease the hull value so that the area gets thicker, just like so. So that it's water-like, around 27%, I guess. Then if we play it again, now it's water-like, just like so. Oh, fancy. You can always, go back to emitter, and then you simply just, add some more particles. Then if we play it again, fancy. Now, the water is flowing from the source, which is the emitter. Let's add some light, shall we? Hold the left click button and then head over to physical sky, just like so. And then for the time, 12. Let's just move the time a bit so that there's more of the exposure. Or we can just select everything and then drag it upwards. Then you rotate it, just like so. Pretty fancy. And now go back to physical sky and then turn back the time for a bit, maybe. And then let's add some materials for the for the water flow. So to do this, click on the material manager, click on the plus symbol, double click on it, and then let's make it blue, light blue, and then tick the box for transparency. Then for the color, light blue. The brighter the better, and there will be more transparency for the material. For the reflectance, change it into reflection, reduce the roughness, and increase the reflection strength, just like so, and then drag the material into the metaball. Just like this. And then if we do a render preview, Control R. Nice! As you can see here, fancy, looks like, you know, looks like how, you know, water flow looks like in real life, doesn't it? The color is really vivid here. Not so blue, not so white, just light blue, just like this. And if you know, render all of the frames as part of the animation, it will take longer, but, you know, I'm just going to show you how a frame looks like for the water flow, just like this. And that's how you can, you know, do it in Cinema 4D, a 3D modeling program, so that you can, you know, create some realistic 3D elements that you can animate. Thank you for watching, guys. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But from me, it's good day. Ciao.